Hi, I am Dr. Eli Kolberg from Unlimited Robotics. In this video, I will talk about magnetic field. It will be first out of two parts. A magnetic field is a field produced by electric charges in motion or by magnets. Stationary charges can only produce an electric field, but not magnetic one. It is a field that applies a force on materials like iron when placed nearby the field. Magnetic field does not require any medium to propagate. It can propagate even in vacuum. The energy storing capacity of the magnetic field is greater than that in the electric field. The Earth also has its natural magnetism, which protects it from solar waves that come from the Sun. Furthermore, it provides an operating field for a magnetic compass to operate. Permanent magnets have their own magnetism, and they are made up of ferromagnetic materials like iron or nickel or alnico alloys. Electromagnets are coils which produce the magnetic field when electric current flows through them. If current does not flow through the coils, there will be no magnetic field. The magnetic field has both north pole and south pole. Monopole does not exist for a magnetic field, unlike electric field, where a charge can be isolated. The field line forms a closed loop as it emanates from north and terminates in south outside the magnet. The figure we can see the magnetic field lines that goes from north pole to south pole in both the isolated magnet and with two magnets. At any point on the field, it has both magnitude and direction. It is represented by a vector. Magnetic field finds its application in almost every electromechanical devices, like electric motors and generators. When a current-carrying coil is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. This principle of operation is utilized in an electric motor. Here, magnetic force is produced, which exerts a rotating torque on the rotor. In case of generators, magnetic field provides a medium for energy exchange, specifically from electric energy to a mechanical energy. Every magnetic field is a bit different. Some magnetic fields are large, some are strong, some are small, and some are weak. For example, the Earth's magnetic field is large but weak. That's it for this video. Thank you for being with me. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.